Hello student. In our this session JEE chapter 3 and 4, first of all we talk about our first sum which we did in the previous lecture, but there are some confusion, or maybe I say that this d is greater than 0, but when you see that if a greater than 0 and delta means discriminant of ax square plus 2bx plus c is negative, then the value of this is what? So first of all, d means the simplification of this is b square minus 4ac. This is the discriminant and which is less than 0. And ax square plus 2bx plus c is also this term is greater than 0 because of a is greater than 0 and delta is less than 0. Therefore we can say that this term ax square plus 2bx plus c is greater than 0. Now one thing is plus and second thing is minus, then ultimately the answer is negative. So our answer is C. In my worksheet I did this, that answer is C and delta is less than 0. But maybe in our previous lecture I told that the answer is greater than 0 positive, but it is not positive, negative. Okay, so you just correct this. Then we go for the next one. Okay, now 11th sum. In 11th sum, the number of the solution of the system of equation x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 equal to 3, 2x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 equal to 3, and 3x1 plus 5x2 plus 2x1 equal to 3 is dash. Now if we want to find the number of the solution of the given equation, then first of all we want to find d, d1, d2 and d3. But first of all we find d. D is what? The coefficient, the determinant of the coefficient of x1, x2, x3. Okay, so here the determinant coefficient is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 3, 5, 2. 3, 5, 2, right? Now just you simplify 1, 6 minus 5 is 1 minus 2, 4, 3, 1 plus 1, 10 minus 9 is 1. So it is 1 minus 2 plus 1, it is 0. So therefore d is equal to 0. First equation. First we find this d, then the second one is d1. Now d1 means what? You hide the term x1 and then you put the determinant of x2, x3 and constant. Okay, here constant is 3. So here d1 is equal to 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 5, 2, 1. And when you simplify, then you get minus 5, minus 1 and 3 minus 12 plus 3 into 6 minus 5, 1 minus 10 plus 12 plus 3 is equal to 5, or it is not equal to 0. So here d1 is not equal to 0. Okay, this is the second one. Now when the condition is there, if d is equal to 0 and d1 is not equal to 0, then the equation has no solution. Then d is equal to 0, d1 is not equal to 0 here. Therefore, equation has no solution. Means none is our answer, it is D. None is our answer. So remember this thing very carefully. When the system is given in this way, then you find D, D1, D2 and D3. And the nature of the D, D1, D2 and D3, we can find how many roots can be obtained. Okay, then we go for the next one. Okay, 12th. Find the value of k if a system of linear equation 4x plus ky plus 2z equal to 0, kx plus 4y plus z equal to 0 and 2x plus 2y plus z equal to 0 has non-trivial solution. If non-trivial solution, then D is equal to 0. Okay. And here this sum is asked in 2011 and the previous one is asked in 2010 of JEE. Okay. So now we start here. System has non-trivial solution. Therefore, D is equal to 0. Means the coefficient of x, y and z's determinant is equal to 0. It means 4, k, 2, k, 4, 1, 2, 2, 1 is equal to 0. Now we just simplify and we find our answer 4. Then we have to minus k, k minus 2 plus 2, then 2k minus 8 equal to 0. Now we have one quadratic equation. Minus k square plus 6k minus 8 equal to 0, or k square minus 6k plus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, the value of k or the factor is 4 to the 4 and k minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of either 4 or k equal to 2. But in your answer sheet, this answer is given. So we can say that the value of k is either 4 or 2. But according to the given MCQ, the value of k is equal to 2. So this is our answer, and the answer is perhaps just a minute. I will tell A. A is the answer, right? So this way we can find our answer. Okay. Now we go for the next one. Okay. 13th, if the trivial solution is the only solution of the system of equation x minus ky plus z equal to 0, kx plus 3y minus kz equal to 0, 3x plus y minus z equal to 0, then the set of all the value of k is dash. This is also asked in 2011. Now here one thing you remember, that in previous sum it is given that non-trivial solution is obtained. Therefore the value of k is dash. Now here trivial solution is given. So therefore what we do, we just omit this. Here trivial solution of system is given. Therefore D is not equal to 0. Here remember this thing. Here D is not equal to 0 means the determinant of the coefficient of x, y and z is non-zero. Therefore 1 minus k 1, k 3 minus k 3, 1 minus 1 is not equal to 0. Now we just simplify it. 1 minus 3 plus k, then minus k plus 3k plus 1 into k minus 9 is not equal to 0. It means k minus 3 minus k square plus 3 directly we can put 2k square plus 2k square plus k minus 9 equal to 0, or 2k square plus 2k minus 12 equal to 0. K is 2 is common, k square plus k minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore 3 and 2. Okay. K square plus 3k minus 2k minus 6 is 0. So k plus 3 and k minus 2 is not equal to 0. Sorry, this is not equal to 0. Therefore k is not equal to minus 3 and k is not equal to 2. So in real value set we have these two value will be omitted. So what we do, therefore k is belongs to R minus minus 3 and 2. So this is the value of k, or this is the set. Here's the set of all the value of k's we want to obtain. So here k belongs to r minus 3 and 2. This 2 value can be omitted and all the rest value can be taken for the trivial solution of the given system of linear equation, right? So this is good sum, because here the reverse value want to be find. Okay, then we go for the next one. Okay, next 14. If the system of linear equations x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 equal to 6, x1 plus 3x2 plus 5x3 equal to 9, 2x1 plus 5x2 plus ax3 equal to 6 is consistent and has infinite number of solution, then what is the value of a and b? Okay, so here not 6 but b is there. Now here it is given that the equation has infinite number of solution and it is consistent. If the equation is consistent, then d equal to 0. Here equation is consistent and has infinite solution. Therefore, we can say that d equal to d1 equal to d2 equal to d3. Okay, so here some disturbance is there. So from the consistent equation and infinite are there, therefore d equal to d1 equal to d2 equal to d3 equal to 0. Now if d equal to 0, then the coefficient of x1, x2 and x3 determinant is equal to 0. Therefore what we can do, we take 1, 2, 3, this 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5, 2, 5a is equal to 0. And if we simplify 3a minus 25 minus 2, you just simplify this determinant, then you get the answer of a equal to 8. Now if the answer of a is obtained, now second thing is d1. d1 is also 0. So what we can do, d1 is you hide x1 and you write down all the coefficient of x2, x3 and constant. So 2, 3, 6, 3, 5, 9 and 5ab, 5ab. But a is 8, therefore I write directly 8. And then you simplify, you get b equal to 15. So this way, if the equation is consistent and has infinite solution, then a equal to 8 and b equal to 15. So this way we can do this sum, and very easily if you see that in all different type of criterias are there for the system of linear equation of 3 variable, and this sum will be could be asked in online exam of 2013. So in your 2013 online exam this sum be asked. Therefore this is important sum, and this type of sum can be asked in our next exams also. Okay, so this way we can find the answer. Now we go for the next one. Okay, now this sum is very important because here two statements are given and we want to find that which statement is true, either both, either one of them, or both are wrong or false. Okay, first statement is the system x plus sine alpha y plus cos alpha z equal to 0, x plus cos alpha y plus sine alpha z equal to 0, x minus, this is not determinant, just I put that here one line because of this is the system. X minus sine alpha y minus cos alpha z equal to 0 has non-trivial solution for only one value of alpha laying in the interval 0 to pi by 2. So this is our first statement. Now the second one is statement that 2, that the equation in alpha, the determinant is given cos alpha sin alpha cos alpha, sin alpha cos alpha sin alpha, then cos alpha minus sin alpha minus cos alpha equal to 0 has only one solution in 0 to pi by 2. This is also asked in online 2013 exam. First we check that statement 1 has non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution is also also came in our previous sums. Therefore here the determinant is equal to 0. Statement 1. First we check statement 1. Here system has non-trivial solution, right? Therefore we can say that the determinant of the xyz is equal to 0. So 1 sin alpha cos alpha, 1 cos alpha sin alpha, 1 minus sin alpha minus cos alpha will be 0. Now what? We just add this row into first. It means R1 plus R2 is the process. So we have 2 0 0 1 1 cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha and minus cos alpha is there. But we have 2 bracket minus cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 0. Therefore cos 2 alpha is 0. Therefore 2 alpha equal to pi by 2 and alpha equal to pi by 4 in belongs to 0 to pi by 2. But when you put the value in the equation, then you have the solution that x plus 1 upon root 2y plus 1 upon root 2z equal to 0, x plus 1 upon root 2y plus 1 upon root 2z is equal to 0, and x minus 1 upon root 2y plus minus 1 upon root 2z equal to 0. When you solve this equation, then you get x is 0, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 1. Okay, this type of solution can be obtained, and this is 1 and this is minus 1. So if this type of solution is obtained, then you can say that here solution be 0 k minus k type. Therefore there are infinitely many value of k is obtained. Therefore the equation has not trivial solution but infinitely many solution. Therefore the statement is false. This first statement is false. So this statement first is false. We just check it. Now we talk about the second one. Okay. Now for the second one, here it is given that only one solution is 0 to pi by 2. So first of all I remove this statement 1 and then we go for the next one. Now statement 2. In statement 2, it is given that the equation in alpha is equal to 0 has only one solution in 0 to pi by 2. Let me check it. Here this determinant is given cos alpha sin alpha cos alpha sin alpha cos alpha sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha minus cos alpha be 0. Now what we take? We take R1 to R1 plus R2. We get 2 cos alpha 0 0 sin alpha cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha minus cos alpha will be 0. Therefore 2 cos alpha into minus cos square alpha plus sin square alpha be 0. Therefore 2 cos alpha into cos 2 alpha is 0. Negative is there but here 0 is given. Therefore alpha is either pi by 2 or 2 alpha is pi by 2. But this is, we can take this. So alpha is pi by 4 is the only value in between 0 to pi by 2. So this statement is true. Okay. So here the first statement is false and second is true. Therefore we can say that here the answer is, just I say C. C is the answer, in which first statement is false and second is true is the answer. Okay, so this sum is quite important sum, because here two statements are given and this is also time consuming sum. Okay, so you do this carefully, very carefully, and then we go for the next one. 16. Here 15 sum is there, not 25. It's my mistake. Okay, 16. For the system x plus ay equal to 0, y plus az equal to 0 and z plus ax equal to 0, then the set of all real value of a for which the system has unique solution is dash. Means we want to find the value of a, which is trivial solution, right? So here, if system has unique solution, then d is equal to non-zero, right? So for non-zero d, 1 is 0, 1 is 0, 0, 1a, 0, 1a, a, 0, 1 is not equal to 0. Now just we find the value of a. 1 minus a, then minus a square is not equal to 0. Just a minute. Therefore a cube is not equal to minus 1. It means a is not equal to minus 1. Okay, so here remember that a is not equal to minus 1 means what? A is belongs to any real number, but it is not minus 1. Therefore, for a belongs to r minus minus 1, we get the unique solution for the equation or system of the equation, right? So this sum is also quite good. Okay, now we go for the next one. This is also asked in online 2013. Perhaps you have surprised that three sums, how can it is possible? So here sometimes they are asked in different batches, because in online exam there are different batches and different sums are there, so maybe it is possible. Now we go for the next one, 17. Okay, here 17. If alpha and beta is not equal to 0 and fn equal to alpha raised to n plus beta raised to n and indeterminate 3, 1 plus f1, 1 plus f2, 1 plus f1, 1 plus f2, 1 plus f3, 1 plus f2, 1 plus f3, 1 plus f4 is equal to k, 1 plus alpha square, 1 minus beta square and alpha minus beta square, then the value of k is equal to dash. This is also asked in 2014. Here the short method is this, that here we take alpha is equal to alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 3. Okay, now just you put in f1. So f1 is equal to alpha plus beta or 2 plus 3. It is 5. f2 it is alpha square means 4 plus 9. It is 30, right? Then f3 it is 2 cube. 2 cube is 8 plus 27. This is 35. Then f4 it is 2 raised to 4 is 16 plus 81. It is 97. Okay. Now you just put in both the side of the equation. We get put in equation. We get 3. 1 plus 5 is 6, then 14 and 6, 14. Here calculation is required, but I write directly because of it is time consuming sum. Okay, then 14, 36 and 98 is equal to k 1 1, then here beta is minus 1 square is k, means 4 and 1. Okay, so here if you can say that k 4k. Okay, now here when you simplify here, then if you take the process that R2 2 minus 2 R1 and R3 minus 4 or 5 R1 and just simplify, then we get 4 equal to 4k. It means k equal to 1. So this way, if you I cut some process because of this sum is very lengthy, and if you do with this way, then it is very good and very easy for you. And here some simplification is required, which is very normal for you from this process, and then you find the answer 4 equal to 4k, means k equal to 1. So for the value of k is equal to 1, this equation is solved. Okay, now we go for the next one. Okay, 18th sum. If ABC are non-zero real numbers and system A minus 1x is equal to y plus z, B minus 1y equal to x plus z, and C minus 1z equal to x plus y has non-trivial solution, then AB plus BC plus AC equal to dash. This is also asked in 2014. Okay, here system has non-trivial solution. Therefore, we can say that D is equal to 0, or D is equal to 0 means A minus 1, 1, then 1 minus B, 1 minus A, and 1 minus C is equal to 0. Now just we simplify it and we get our answer. So here first of all 1 minus A into 1 minus B and 1 minus C, and then simplify. Okay, now here this determinant is 0, 1 minus A, 1 minus B, 1 minus C equal to 0. Now we just simplify it. You can easily simplify it and you get your answer. 1 minus A multiply with this 2 and 1 means minus 1. Minus 1, then 1 minus C minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus B equal to 0. If you simplify, then B and C are cancelled, and here BC minus ABC plus AB plus AC is equal to 0, means AB plus BC plus AC equal to ABC. So here our answer is ABC. This is also a good sum and easy sum. Okay, now we go for the next